In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix broken tables in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing an important report or simply trying to organize your data, a well-structured table can be essential. Sometimes, though, those tables don't quite behave as you want them to. Don't worry, though. I'm here to walk you through the process of fixing and refining your tables hassle-free. First, let's dive into your web browser. Any browser will do, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once you're there, head over to google.com. This is where we'll start our journey to organizing those restless tables. At this point, make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you aren't, click on that sign in button, usually at the top right. Enter your email address and proceed by clicking Next. Afterward, key in your password and again click Next to finalize signing in. Now let's navigate to Google Docs. In the top right corner, you'll spot a grid icon. Click on it. This will bring up a series of Google apps. Look for Google Docs and select it. If you already have a document in mind that needs table fixing, go ahead and open it from your list of documents. Within the document, find the table that's causing trouble. Click inside the table so that you're actively working within it. This activates various table-specific options. Next, locate the Format menu at the top of the screen. Click on it and a drop-down will appear with multiple selections. From there, hover over the table option to see related options. What we're looking for next is the table option selection. Click on this option to open a sidebar that allows you to further customize your table structure and aesthetics. One issue might be with column width. Here you can set an exact pixel or inch value. For instance, setting it to 2 inches might be just what you need to keep it neat and uniform throughout your document. Then ensure your table alignment matches the desired layout. Center or left works well for various document styles. It's also important to check the cell vertical alignment. Typically, setting it to either top or middle ensures that your data is presented consistently and professionally. Lastly, adjust the row height if necessary. Setting it to a fixed height, perhaps 2 inches, could prevent any awkward spacing issues within your table. And there you have it, a neatly adjusted table ready to display your information clearly and effectively within Google Docs. With these steps, you're now equipped to handle most table-related challenges you might encounter. Thank you for joining me today, and happy editing.